Welcome, creative friends. I'm Debasree, and in this easy daisy flower painting class, we will explore how a humble bloom can spark optimism, joy, calm presence, and renewal. Daisies stand for innocence, authenticity, and resilience, reminding us that even in the toughest soil, we can reach for light. In the next video, I will share all the art supplies you will need for creating this painting: acrylics, collage papers, palette knives, braids, and a couple of fun found objects for stamping those sunlit orbs. We will do a simple color study of every hue in our painting: olive greens, yellows, unbleached titanium, white, burnt sienna. So you know exactly how to mix and blend for that grungy sunlit background. And don't miss the bonus video where I will demo just the daisies, one petal at a time, in thick impasto style. It's a playful study you can practice anytime. Finally, we will learn to create the Dance of Daisies, where two humble daisies stand as quiet beacons of possibility. Let their graceful petals remind you that beauty and the courage to grow can emerge from the simplest beginnings. So gather your materials, breathe deeply, and let's celebrate growth, light, and creative joy. Join me in painting the Dance of Daisies and rediscover how the simplest bloom can illuminate our creative spirit. Let's begin.